and this is a hydraulic pump and two control valve box, and this coming to 1 and 2 pressure line in this pilot pump. This pilot pump is full pressure. Okay, and then check the hydraulic pump pressure. So and this is a 700 bar pressure gauge, and this hydraulic pump is 200 pressure, 200 bar pressure this pump, and this union enter the gauge, check the pressure. This union is the enter the hydraulic pump, and this okay. And this hydraulic pressure gauge, and start the machine, check the hydraulic pump, but hydraulic pump not pressure, and this trouble for hydraulic pump is going to 200 pressure. This pump is very good. Okay, check the pump, start pump. Hydraulic pump pressure is very good. It's 200 pressure, 200 bar. Bucket take along in here. Okay. You see the 200 pressure, 200 bar. Hydraulic pump is very good condition. Okay, stop the engine. And after check the control box, hydraulic pump is very good condition pressure, and check this box, this track line going to pressure line, this valve box, and this is a MRV valve, main relief valve. This is a pressure control valve. Okay, and remove this valve. Okay. Oh, this valve is the blocking. The valve is piston. You see, this valve is piston, is not pressure. This is a valve block. Okay, this valve block this port and not going to pressure. This control box, this port is closed. This port is closed. This valve piston up and down, but this piston is blocking the piston. And enter the new valve. I have entered the new valve. This is a new valve. This is a old valve, before valve. This control box valve. This piston is this piston is working, this piston working, but this new valve, this out control box before piston valve, this piston is not working, this piston is working. Okay, and enter the new valve, check the track line. This valve, this enter the full and tight, this main leaf valve. Okay, and check the valve, enter this new valve, and start the machine. Check this is track line. Very dust and very dust. This port is blocking the very dust. Hydraulic coil and tank, very dust. This valve blocking. There is a new valve, very good condition. And this hydraulic breaker before flow, and hydraulic breaker